Good morning, dear friends. As you know, I, Professor Harsha Gangavani, going to teach you. The subject name is Python for BCCA Part 3, Sem 6. So, in previous video lecture, you just learned about the Python is a programming language, its features, and the introduction of the Python library. That is, it is a dynamically we typed. We don't have to assign the variables. It was dynamically captured by the compiler. It is an interpreted language and it is easy to learn and all. So the Python having so many features, so the application of the Python is also a very vast. So the today's my topic is in Python, that is nothing but the Python application. So Python having the tremendous application, and nowadays Python is in market. It is a very demanded language for creating the number of application because it have the versatile scenario for creating that particular applications. Okay, so the first application, that is nothing but the web application. So when we talk about the web application, the simple concept in our mind, that is nothing but the somewhat client which send the request to the server, or we can say the middle layer of the server, and then server will fulfill that particular request by sending the response. That means we have the communication between the client and server. So when we create the web application, so the web browser is very much required for executing that particular applications. So Python provide us the web browser package for creating such type of application in the Python programming. So when we send the client, when the client is send the request to the server, and so server will manipulate that request and then send the result or send the response to the client, which is help for that the Python package help, that is nothing but the web browser. Web browser is a package which is provided by the Python for creating such type of the program. And another one is a CGI. So CGI, it is another package which is used for creating such type of application. So Python provide us the huge library for creating that type of the program. Then what this package will do? This package will support the HTML, XML language as well as the protocol which is used for sending the request and receive the response from the server. Okay. So next one is a desktop GUI application. What is meant by desktop GUI application? Like a VB, we just create a form. GUI, that is nothing but the graphical user interface which is interact between the user and the application. So Python provide us the such type of packages which is used for creating such type of the application, which is called as desktop GUI application. That is nothing but the graphical user interfaces. So graphical user interfaces which is interact with the user with the help of number of controls like text box, label, button and all. So if we click on that particular button, then it will perform some action, manipulate some data, and then it will gives us the result or interact with the that particular GUI with the application. So such type of application we create by using tkinter. That means it is a package which is provided by the Python which having the number of classes like control classes, text box, label, buttons and all. For that by using those particular classes we create the GUI. Other KV, then it gets so many packages are provided by the Python so that we can create the GUI, that means the graphical user interface. That is nothing but the another application of Python. Means what? When we require to create such type of application, we have to use the packages which is provided by the Python, and that's why it is used for creating that particular application which is very demanded in the market. Then next one is a software development. Obviously, when we create the GUI, which is interact with the user and the application, after that we are embedding those part with the concept of software development. So we can develop such type of the softwares which is used for in a market. After that, scientific and numeric. What is meant by scientific and numeric? So the such type of application which is used for the engineering background or scientific background, so we can create such type of the applications which is used for the engineering or the science background. So it provides us the SCIPY package, IPython package for creating such type of the application. So what is the background of scientific and numeric? That means the huge number of calculation, or we can say the mathematical calculation, mathematical solution can be provided by, can be used by using these packages. So we can create that type of the application by using the SCIPY IPython packages. So it will provide us likewise packages as we have to create the application. Next one is a business application. Python is a big, we can say the Python is a application which is very demanded in market, which is created by the Python. Okay, so as per the requirement of the customer, we can create the application with the help of Python and its packages. The next one, console based application. IPython support. This is the package which is support for creating the console based application. Console based application is nothing but the one of the type which is having the stand alone application, which is used by using the command prompt or Linux operating system and all. So basically such type of application we can create by using the Python. And ultimately we are using the library of Python which is provided by the Python IDE. Okay, then next one, audio or video based application. That means which application having that type of feature, like we can play the audio, play the video with the help of that particular application, or trimming and all. So those particular application also created in Python. Those are the applications which is very popular in a market, which is created by the Python. Obviously for that we have to import some packages from the library of the Python. After that, CAD/CAM application, 3D application for the animation, we can use the Python for creating such type of application also. Then enterprises application, OpenERP, Triton, those are the very popular application which is created in Python. Enterprise application, ERP we can use in Python from the library of the Python for creating such type of the application. And last one, the image application for the image. So VPython is a package which is used for creating the application which is used for the image. Like we can trimming the we can modify the image, edit the image, crop the image. We can create such type of application which is basically used for the image. So those are the some of application or some of the area where the Python programming language is used. Okay, but it is not a over, that means it is not a we can say the saturated, means ये इतना सा ही नहीं है, इसके बहुत सारे applications और भी हो सकते हैं, because Python has a huge library which having the number of packages, which having the number of classes and methods which we used in our application. So as the customer required, as per the application required, we can create such type of application by using the Python for the requirement. So before that we have to install the Python. Okay, so Python is a free source, open source language, means we can just download from the Google or download from the internet this particular language or compiler. So it provides the authorized site where we can download the Python. So https://www.python.org, it is authorized website or URL from where we can download the Python. Latest version of the Python, it is nothing but 3.9.1. It is a latest one which is included the all of Python packages which having the 64 bits. Okay, and the requirement of this particular Python, it is nothing but the operating system will be a 64 bit and it is supported only a Windows 10 operating system. Okay, Windows 7 operating system does not support by this version of the Python. You can download the earlier version. You can also download the earlier version which is provided by the this particular site, and you can use this particular compiler for executing the Python program. So this is okay for today. This is nothing but the Python applications. So Python is a language which is versatilely used in a market for creating the application. It is okay for today. We will see the installation of the Python in my next video lecture. So thank you.